Alright, here's vlog number 2. I guess we're just gonna keep doing it.
Just chilling here, waiting for school to start. Laying down. Ty's is right here, playing some game. I have so many New York shirts, but I've never been to New York. Alright, so today's Friday, and I'm actually going to go camping with some friends this weekend, Friday night, and then Saturday morning I'm going to be going mountain biking. It's going to be really cold tonight. I'm planning on sleeping in a hammock, but I'm going to bring a tent just in case. If it gets too cold, I'm going to sleep in the tent, but we're going to try to sleep in the hammock tonight.
I'm gonna try to sleep in a hammock.
You better buckle up, man.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna bring a tent just in case, though. So, you like camping?
Yeah, I haven't been in a while.
Never had either of these things before. These are jalapeno cheddar chips and sour apple
What are you
smoothie
doing?
thing. I'm vlogging.
Oh.
Yeah.
You see that there? And that's
Which one?
one of the
The whole one we did where we sessioned that drain afterwards.
Were we what?
We were sessioning that drain for like 30 minutes after we did it.
What?
Right at the front entrance of the neighborhood.
No, we went through, so you know how you're in Chelsea Park? And then there's that other Chelsea Park?
So it is time to start heading in that direction. Again, Kate students, time to head over there. Thank you.
These chips aren't bad either.
I used to play Kryptonite on that jukebox.
Yeah!
I was like, I had like the bubbler here and a bowl. So it's a really fancy bowl. It's stupid because I have all that stuff and we only just roll one.
First, you go like this.
Takes
I'm not gonna do your fucking what kind of 5-year-old do you think I am?
You! Good point. It's a good point.
I mean, I'm not. But
No.
you guys are just this sucks.
Wait, you're like last.
Colby, give her back her phone.
I didn't have her phone.
Yes,
I
you
have
do.
her glasses.
I just watched you take her phone.
Thank you.
Oh.
Okay.
I can't. Oh God, this recorded me riding Jacob's dick.
Alright, hey guys, so I'm home and I'm gonna start packing for the camp out, and I'll see you guys there. I'm here now. I set up everything. It's pretty late. It's actually not that late, but it's dark, and so there's really no light to get. I'm just using a flashlight right now. So I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm sleeping in a hammock, and I'll let you guys how it is. Alright, so it's morning now. I actually slept really well. The sleeping bag held a lot of heat, and I had a mat under me, and that helped a whole bunch of the air that was flowing under the hammock. Didn't have anywhere to go, so it didn't get me cold. It was like 80 degrees in there. It was nice, and I was actually warmer than most people in their tents. I'm gonna go mountain biking, but I don't have my GoPro with me that I got a little bit ago, and so I just have my phone, so I can't record any of the mountain biking at all. So I'll see you guys when I'm done. All right, hey guys. So I'm home from the camp out. We put everything away. We had a good time mountain biking. A bunch of my friends from school showed up. Titus showed up. This is actually one of his first times mountain biking, so it was pretty cool. He had a good bike. We went on one of the harder trails there, so that was fun. I'm home, probably gonna get some rest. I might go ride on my meeple board. I'm not sure. We'll see. So also, I'm actually using a GoPro right now. My friend lent it to me. I'm gonna be using it from now on for a while. So be looking forward to better quality videos and better sound. Alexa, Tell me a joke.
Knock, knock. Huh? Why are you knocking? Why don't you, like, send me a text or whatever?
So actually, while I was getting the remote, it fell, like probably a foot onto wood, and now the it's a little cracked. Like it's not cracked. It's moved out of place. I don't know if you can see that right there. The edge. It still works fine, but that's what happens. So I figured we'd ride in a new neighborhood today. I figured I'd go down the street a little ways to ride a new one, or one you guys haven't seen before. I don't know if you guys have seen my street, but it's just one street and a cul-de-sac at the end. So there's really nowhere to ride there. So I got to go to like other neighborhoods to go ride. So I rode over to my friend's house. David, he's the one that we went mountain biking with today.
Hopped on the plane to LAX.
He just got home. He's putting the bikes back together.
Yeah.
So how long after I left did you guys ride for?
Like probably about another hour. It's pretty good. We hit a jump section.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jacob got some good videos, so maybe he'll
that's
send
cool.
it to you and you can put that on or something like that.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was good.
So my dad has a trek bike, but the mountain bike that I have is some Walmart crappy bike. It's newish, but my dad decided not to go on it, so I got the trek bike, and I'm so glad I did. So David got these ramps from somebody that was moving away, and they're actually really nice. All we have to do is just put the plywood on there, and it's like a half pipe, and then we still have the quarter pipe that we built over there.
It's up a little bit. Put the sheet on.
Oh yeah.
That way I can oil up my drivetrain, which you can hear. Does that have good sound recording? Yeah. You can hear it. That's just awful.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you don't oil something for like 6 months.
Yeah, my the hub or whatever this is called right here, my BMX bike.
The bottom bracket?
Yeah, the bottom bracket. It's like all squeaky. I put a bunch of grease in there when I replaced the bottom bracket.
You have to have, there's like a special grease to have.
So right now we're trying to take this clear plastic thing off.
It looks gay.
Yeah, David doesn't like it, so we're searching it up right now.
You're tightening or loosening it. With a wheel of your feet, you now want to take the chain whip.
Alright, so now the plastic piece on there is off, and we're going to put the front wheel on, maybe grease it up, and then maybe we'll put the wood over there on the little half pipe.
Okay, everyone, so this is called greasing a bike. That's when your bike sounds like crap and like it doesn't have enough grease on it. See, like the chain is completely white and it's just not good because when you're shifting it won't be as smooth and you won't go as fast as you would if it's greased. So I'm trying to pull the tape off of this. This is aggravating me. Alright, there we go. Then you just stick that on there. Oh, whoops. Nothing's working today.
Alright, so we were trying to get into David's house, and David's dad locked the door and has the keys, and he just walked away to go to someone's house, so now we gotta go get it. Alright, so we got the key, and now we can get inside.
Let's go!
Let's go. Alright, so these are David's Traxxas. This is Traxxas Bandit. I have this exact one. He also has this one over here. Which one's this one?
1/16 Mini E-Ravo.
Mini E-Ravo is what this one is. And what's the one you're trying to take off?
This one is a 1/18 scale Watrax pre-runner. Right. So it's like a mini slash basically is like
cool.
What I like to call.
This thing is really out of tune.
Oh, you're right. Ah!
One. How fast is that? Oh yeah, that's the
Brushless.
brushless. Wow, that thing is fast.
Dude, if it
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. This was probably a lot more interesting than my first vlog. So make sure to subscribe if you liked it, and I'll see you next time.